Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Mazda 6, stock number 5909. This ran from the 11th 2012 to the 2nd 2018. It has a SH-VPTS 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a SH 2.2 litre twin-turbo diesel engine. Left front factory alloy 18-inch mag, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, 1 dent. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear factory 18-inch alloy mag, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear factory alloy 18-inch mag, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front mirror. Right front factory 18-inch alloy mag, good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front mirror switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Center courtesy light with sunglass holder. 3-spoke factory steering wheel. Instrument cluster.